"These Nuggets Ain't Ready" is a misheard lyric from KSI's 2017 song Adam's Apple. At the very start of the music video, uploaded to YouTube on September 8th of 2017, KSI opens with the line, "These brothers ain't ready."
These niggas ain't ready!
That line became the source material for the meme. The joke is a misunderstanding of that audio that replaces the original words with something that sounds similar. In this case, internet users began interpreting the line as, "These nuggets ain't ready." KSI's music has been a part of meme culture for a while now. In the Thick of It, for example, was a meme not a while ago. The format of "These Nuggets Ain't Ready" is straightforward. A video of uncooked or still cooking nuggets, or in some versions, a person acting out a scenario, is set to that opening audio clip, with the phrase, "These nuggets ain't ready" displayed on the screen. The original song, Adam's Apple, was uploaded in 2017. However, the meme did not surface until 2026. The earliest known instance of the Nuggets meme was posted on March 14th, 2026 by TikTok user Wordadec. He overlaid a tray of chicken nuggets with the caption, "These nuggets ain't ready," set to the song's intro. But it was a video posted on March 23rd by TikToker MyMaximusMax that made the meme go viral. This video made it appear as if KSI were standing outside of a microwave waiting for his nuggets. It got over 12 million views in just 4 days. And a repost of that same video to Instagram, uploaded by dbells, got over 83,000 likes in also 4 days. And from there, many other formats were created. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.